Capricorn, hi and welcome to your love reading for the rest of the month of April. This is a general love reading and it may or may not resonate with each one of you watching. So you can watch other readings according to your sun, moon and rising placements in your chart. In this reading, we will look into the recent past, current situation and the near future and will clarify for more details. Finally, we will ask for advice from the universe. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. First card out is Sun card, my God. Leave a comment if this reading resonates with you. Feel free to switch the roles. Capricorn, let's start with the reading. Gender doesn't matter. The feminine can resonate with the male can resonate with the female, feminine. I'm looking into your energy this side, the situation and your partner's energy. You can switch. Okay, we have cards are flying away. No other reading has been so rushing towards it till now. Capricorn, your cards are talking. Okay, this is the past, the present and the future. Okay, all beautiful cards here. You have the sun, moon and the star all together in the reading. Okay, a lot of Leo energy. Fire, Leo, Aries and Sag. We have Pisces energy here. Yes, water energy you can say. Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Strong fire energy. Aquarius is there. We have, okay, bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles and the outcome is Seven of Swords. Okay, let's see where this reading is going. Someone is sneaky in this relationship. The moon is, the situation is very much out of hand. Things are hidden. In the past, you were very optimistic about this situation, and but your person was like it was 10 of Swords situation for them. It was very burdening for them, but you have a lot of hope. You can see the how hopeful you are, but things were hidden and you didn't know exactly. You're very optimistic about this situation. You have roles can be reversed. Maybe your person is very optimistic, and you can see the star again this side. They are very optimistic. They see you as their wish fulfillment, total happiness. Sun card is the most happiest card in the deck. Very full of hope, desire for the better future. They know it can be done. It's going to happen. Six of Swords, Moon and the Three of Wands, waiting for your ships to arrive. Six of Swords, moving away from tough situation. Don't want to indulge anymore. Just packing your bags and just moving away. No more of the fighting, bickering, anything like that. Queen of Cups, yes, feeling very emotional about this situation. Totally, you are immersed in your emotions, and you close your eyes, and your partner is like totally immersed in the emotions. Very Queen of energy. It can be male or female, doesn't matter. Okay, in the future I can see a lot of communication, fast movement. Maybe you are going to travel, waiting for your ships in the situation. 10 of Cups, yes, wish fulfillment, a very happy family life. We will have to clarify these definitely. Because Seven of Swords, a very confusing energy. What kind of a sneaky behavior is that? Let's see. We'll clarify the Seven of Swords first in the outcome. Why is Seven of Swords here? Why is Seven of Swords here for Capricorn? Ace of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Oh my God. A love offer, a passionate new beginning. And this is like, you think this is deceptive, but yes, there is divine intervention here. The divine is offering you this new start in passion, full of passion and love. Okay, this is clarified. Now we will clarify the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is clarified by Two of Swords again. Yes, major decision. Three of Cups. Not able to make the decision, so moving away towards lighter energy of Three of Cups. Celebrating. We'll clarify the Eight of Wands, Seven of Cups and the Hierophant. Yes, this is totally your wish fulfillment. You want to marry them, or yes, very positive here. Seven of Cups is choices but you have made up your choice. Three of Wands, Capricorn, is clarified by Queen of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, sorry, both here I can see. The King and the Queen of King of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Both the masculine and feminine are here, waiting to meet each other. Three of Wands is clarified by that. Ten of Cups is again Six of Swords and the Magician. Manifestation energy, no manipulations here. The Six of Swords is just cutting away from something which is burning and manifesting this Ten of Cups. Beautiful energy. And the Knight of Pentacles is a very stable offer of passion and love for you, Capricorn. And you are in your power. You are very optimistic about your love life right now. You know whatever comes will be very beautiful. You have stopped thinking negatively or thinking very positively. You may be having a lot of options as well. Seven of Cups talks about options regarding marriage. Maybe you're getting a lot of proposals regarding marriage, and you are going to get an offer from your King of Pentacles. Strong Leo energy here. Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Let's clarify. Let's ask advice from the universe for Capricorn. Let's ask for advice for Capricorn. Advice for Capricorn for the rest of the month of April and coming up for May. Okay. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you romantically attractive. Yes, that's what you're doing, and you're waiting for communication, and which is why you are very much in your energy. Chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Definitely I can see the Queen of Cups and the King of Pentacles. Match made in heaven. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Beautiful reading, Capricorn. So light and easy. I am really liking this energy. You have a lot of prospects maybe, and you're definitely getting new start, new love offer, which is very passionate and very stable. Surely very stable offer. And just this could be the one. Yes. And you have to love yourself. Universe is advising you Your self-respect makes you romantically attractive, surely. And this relationship is going to be a wish fulfillment for you. This is going, the whatever the next relationship comes to you is very good for you. Capricorn, all the best for this. I hope this resonates with most of you. And if it resonates, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Put a comment if it resonates. I will love to read them. Till then, till the next reading, I have to say bye and take care. Stay safe. Bye.